Hello, it's Gare, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the batteries in a Midland WR-120EZ weather radio. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to put your antenna down. Then you're going to want to turn the device upside down. Go off the battery cover. Then you're going to take out the old. Make sure your power supply is connected for this step. You're going to get the old batteries out.
The temperature was 90.
Oops. And then just put the new batteries in.
10 miles an hour.
I'm going to just put the camera down.
Making the relative humidity 37%, producing a heat index of 97. Winds were variable at 3 miles an hour.
It's very easy to replace the batteries in a Midland WR-120EZ weather radio. We got the new batteries installed. As everyone knows, it's a very loud device. Now we just raise the antenna. Here. It says no messages because there's no alerts in our area right now. That's how you replace the batteries in your weather radio. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and support me by buying from my eBay and Mercari stores. Both links are in the description. Goodbye.